My name is Frank Ozuna. I'm a property maintenance lead worker for Parks and Recreation. I'm born and raised here in Fresno. I started off with the city of Fresno in 2001. I've been with the city for a long time. My dad worked for the city, so I followed his steps, you know. So the first thing I do when I get here is I blow off the splash pad, make sure there's no broken glass or rocks on here so the kids won't get hurt. I clean my baskets out. I got 2 pumps here. Then I walk around, check my chlorine, my acid, check my chemical controller. Then I walk around, make sure my UV is working. When the light is green, then I go out there and hit the button, get the park going for the kids. I just want the community to know and to let the kids know that this is safe. Before the water comes out, the UV, it kills anything that's in there. It recirculates, it goes into the tank, then from the tank it goes to the filter, from the filter, then it goes to the UV, from the UV, then it comes out again. But I do it because I have grandkids that love to come out here. You know, I like to come out here and sit right here and let them run around there and they tell everybody, oh, my grandpa does this. My grandpa keeps these going. If this is up and running, it keeps the kids out of trouble, keeps them safe. I like it. I do it for the kids. I do it for my community.